Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review the world's smallest gold coin. This coin is from India, Vijayanagara Empire. This coin was in circulation in between 1336 to 1646. The weight of this coin is 0.1 grams and the metal is gold. Let's see this coin under the magnifier. From this angle it is a little bit clear. Now on the front side of this coin, here on the front side there is a sacred image, and on the reverse side you can see it here. On the reverse side there is a royal legend. Basically these coins were originally found in the riverbeds. Now the value of this coin is somewhere from $20 to $25, and the certified coins in this similar condition you can find it somewhere from $50 to $80. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.